How to enable bold font. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the settings, scroll down and click on display. Again, scroll down and click on font size and style and enable bold font. By doing this, you've successfully enabled your bold font. If you are not able to see the difference, I'll show it to you again. So this is how it looks like when you have enabled bold font. And this is how it looks like when you have not enabled bold font. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.